we'll guide you through how to manage Dropbox notifications. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture or initials. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings to be taken to the Settings page. Next, navigate to the Notifications tab, which you'll find along the top of the Settings menu. Here, you can manage all of your notification preferences. You'll see various categories like desktop notifications, email notifications, and more. Each category has specific options you can toggle on or off. For example, if you want to reduce email clutter, you might decide to uncheck options for updates or tips. On the other hand, if you rely on desktop alerts, ensure they're enabled so you don't miss important updates. Make sure you review each section to customize your Dropbox notifications precisely how you want them. Remember, changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to look for a save button. Adjusting these settings can really help in keeping your notifications relevant and less overwhelming. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.